Welcome back to Math 171, Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about finding the equation of a line that's parallel to another line. So, first off, if two lines are parallel, so I'll draw a line in blue, and then I'll pick some point out here, and I want to draw a line that's parallel. So I can do that, but we can see from looking at this, if I drew this halfway accurately, that it would appear that those two lines have the same slope. And they do indeed have the same slope. So if I'm asked to do a line through the point -3, 1. That's parallel, and we denote parallel by putting two vertical lines next to each other. Parallel to y equals 2x plus 1. So, we can use the point-slope form we talked about earlier, which is y minus our given y, so y minus 1, equals our slope, which we know to be 2, because of the fact it has to be the same as the slope of this line, and it's in that y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form, so we can see immediately the slope is 2. Then x minus -3, which I'm going to write as plus 3. So we get y minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 6. Then we can add 1 to both sides. Get y equals 2x plus 7. So that is what we do when we draw a parallel line, or find the equation of a parallel line. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to find the equation of a perpendicular line.